Davidson lowrider removal and install of oil tank or oil bag. You're going to have to remove all your hoses, all your lines, and basically get your tank so it's kind of freed up. There's also there's a coil pack. I removed the coil pack as well. There's only 2 bolts that hold that on. So basically everything's got to be disconnected, kind of moved out of the way. Now you're going to want to remove the oil tank from the right side of the bike as you're sitting on it. It's going to come out. It's going to come out this way. So hopefully we can do this relatively fast, and you can see how it works. So right here. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to kind of turn the tank up, cock it, get that first tab over it, and then you're going to kind of walk that other tab out and then back out. So let's see if we can do this. So that's the removal, and once again, we're going to want to come in kind of an angle, kind of angle it in. Get over that first tab on the where the starter key or the ignition is, and then kind of bring it up. See what I mean? It's a bitch.